cannot stress this enough. Taking someone else's hard work and selling it as your own is simply not okay, and is very illegal. When you get caught, your ebook will be taken off the site, your Amazon account will be closed and blacklisted, and your credibility as an author, blogger, or anything really will simply be gone. Worse than this, you can possibly get sued. On top of losing your income as an author, you'll have to deal with the legal fees. Now, we are aware that we just spent time discussing how to sell plenty of copies of your ebook, but our focus here was not how to become an Amazon bestseller. It's because Amazon's method for determining which book should be on the bestseller list can be exploited by scammers, and thus it doesn't mean anything for you to describe yourself simply as an Amazon best-selling author. A more meaningful goal here is to have regular sales of your ebook so that the running total of your ebook sold constantly increase month after month and year after year. And to do that, you'll have to write a valuable, high-quality ebook and constantly market it ethically. Aim for consistent, long-term success. It's ultimately better to have a few sales a week for the next few years rather than a phenomenal first month and then nothing. Starting with a coaching program allows you to create a solid foundation for your business, one that will help you scale much more quickly. And here's why. You can make good money and fast. One of the major benefits of coaching is that you can get a healthy stream of income without a huge audience. This is because people will pay more for personalized one-on-one programs. For example, when launching a business with one-to-one coaching, you can make up to $10,000 with less than 500 subscribers and hit over $100,000 in revenue with a list of under 5,000 subscribers. You can't build a great business without a solid understanding of your customer, their demographics, their hopes and dreams, what stops them from achieving their goals, and their objections to buying. In fact, any good course on building an online business starts with customer research as the foundation. For example, coaching gave us a first-hand look at what makes it so hard for women to lose weight. We figured out what they struggle with most when it comes to weight loss, better understood the connection between food and emotion, and uncovered scripts that women tell themselves that stop them from getting their ideal body. All of this helped us get crystal clear on what kind of customers we needed to reach to grow our business, plus how to talk to them. And it will do the same for your business. When clients receive highly personalized support from one-to-one coaching programs, they see dramatic results and fast. And most are willing to take photos or write testimonials of their progress and allow you to share them on your website, which will always help you attract even more clients. The first thing that you'll want to do is to validate your business idea. You can avoid wasting months or years on a dead-end business by simply taking a few steps to test your business idea. And the best part is that this will only take a couple of hours. Start by asking yourself, is anyone else offering your service? A lot of people get discouraged when they discover that someone already has a business similar to their great idea. But this actually is a good thing. It means that there's a demand for your idea. All you have to do is find your unique angle that sets you apart from the competition. Spend an hour or two researching online for businesses in your niche. Take notes on how they position themselves, who they target, and what kind of products they sell. Then start to think about how you might differentiate your offering from theirs. Ask yourself, is anyone out there looking for your service? Have you ever seen a job posting or help wanted ad for the service you're thinking of providing? What about Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even dinner parties with friends? Do people ask questions related to your business idea? If the answer is yes, you're probably onto something. At this point, you've found other businesses in your niche and examples of people asking questions related to your idea. Now it's time to dive into customer research and get super clear on what you want to help your clients achieve. Talk to, read about, and survey your potential customers to identify their hopes, dreams, pain points, and fears. Pay attention to the words that they use so that you can incorporate them into your marketing and coaching. The chart below will help you frame your research. Now you are ready to get your first 100 subscribers. Before you do anything else, you need to start building your email list, which is your most powerful sales tool. After all, your subscribers will soon become your first customers. Start by publishing 3 blog posts on your site that address the pain points that you uncovered in step 2. Make sure that they include a call to action to sign up for your mailing list in exchange for a short piece of downloadable content. Now you can map out your coaching program. Once you know what your customers want and have a small but growing email list, you're ready to map out exactly what you're going to offer your clients. When I got to this step, I outlined a coaching package based on a standard model that I had learned through research. This included bi-weekly calls and weekly content. The details of your program will depend on your niche and what your audience wants. As you're fleshing out your offering, keep these 3 coaching practices in mind. Design a program with a fixed cost bound to a specific time frame. For example, $1,200 for 2 months of coaching. This helps you attach a desired outcome to the program and holds both you and your client accountable for achieving these results. Don't offer a program where you charge an hourly fee for your time. Set up a schedule to talk to your clients regularly. Maybe this means 1 hour a week, or maybe it's an hour every 2 weeks. Use this time to answer questions they may have and give them any additional support that they need to reach their goals. Provide supplementary materials to encourage consistent progress. I provide my clients with weekly content and resources, and this was all they needed to advance in the program. For your first few coaching clients, you'll probably need to create some of these things on the go, but you'll also be learning as you go. Once you have more experience, you'll fine-tune your systems. Now it's time to pitch your email list. Here's how I started to sell my coaching program. First, I sent an email to my list offering a free breakthrough session with me, where I'd help people get clear on how to achieve their goals. Then, at the end of each breakthrough session, if the person seemed like a good fit for coaching, I'd offer them a one-to-one coaching package. Keep in mind the following points while designing your framework to suit your clients. Mention the skills that will be taught, the time commitment required to complete the course, the frequency of sessions, the outline of each session, and the results that your clients should expect. Follow these simple steps to make your first session awesome. Make it all about your client and really listen to their story. Try to figure out where they are and what areas they want to improve upon. What are their strengths and what are their weaknesses? And what is it that's holding them back from achieving what they want? Now follow these points to make your assignments more interesting. Do not give them something which takes hours to do. Include their active work life into their learning. Make them think of something that might have gone wrong and how they would react to that right now. Make them think of one positive aspect of a negative situation. You may ask them to also write social media posts or film a short video. Focus on your existing clients. After every coaching, focus on your existing clients. After every coaching session or course, ensure that you thank your clients. This can be achieved with a simple email or card, or perhaps a small gift. If you value your client, they will value you as well. Whatever it is that you promise your client, make sure that you do it. Whether it is to call them, send an email, or supply information, you must follow through on your commitment. Doing so helps to build trust, loyalty, and respect. An existing client whom you have treated well and done a great job for is more likely to work with you again. Marketing to your existing clients should take most of your marketing efforts, time, and resource. Make sure that your service is personal. Connect with your clients. As you build the life coach-client relationship, make an effort to connect on a more personal but professional basis. Find out about their likes and dislikes, aspirations for the future, and their life in general. Deeper connection makes for deeper satisfaction. Communicate regularly. Ensure that you keep in touch with your clients. It is one of the most powerful life coach and client nurturing tools available. Make sure that you keep in touch with main events in their life, good luck wishes prior to job interviews, birthdays, etc. And on a more general basis, newsletters are a great client retention tool. Be consistent. Treat all clients the same and with the same level of service that you would expect. Be a professional at all times and remain honest. Show humor and make your life coaching fun, and your clients will surely want to stay with you. Focus on added value and share your resources. Clients love free gifts, especially when they are pertinent to your working relationship. If you recently read a good book, then let your life coach clients know. If you know of a great accountant, lawyer, or business coach that will help your clients achieve their goals, then pass on those details. Client-specific research, tools, or reports. Tell the clients that you have their interest at heart always. You might also consider partnering with other businesses. A free session at a local spa or a discounted session with a personal trainer is a great giveaway that always goes down well. Such joint ventures present wonderful mutual benefits. Go the extra mile. By going further than your client expects and exceeding your obligations, your life coach client will feel obligated to you. Gratitude goes a long way. Make sure your clients know that you are available for them at any time and throughout their life. Then keep in touch with them regularly. They won't want to find another life coach. It will always be you that they seek out. In order to achieve your goals of retaining your life coaching clients, you'll also need to maintain a positive and forward-looking approach to your career. Learning new skills, methods, and techniques should be a part of your business plan and budgeted for. Take the best life coaching courses available, and you'll find the benefits that your clients receive help create their long-lasting loyalty. Finally, always ask for feedback and then act on it. Ask for suggestions as to further services and your current offerings. A request for feedback like this solidifies the esteem in which you hold your life coaching clients. When you focus on these 3 areas highlighted above, you'll always be focusing on client retention. And when you do that, your business will grow exponentially. Take care of the following points and make your business bloom. Acquire a solution-oriented approach. Make it personal and special for your clients. Decide on a fair price for your services. Keep yourself updated with the latest technology and tools. And when you ask for feedback, make sure that you work on it. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. This involves publishing great content on your social media profiles, listening to and engaging your followers, analyzing your results, and running social media advertisements. The major social media platforms at the moment are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. There are also a range of social media management tools that help businesses to get the most out of the social media platforms. For example, Buffer is a platform of social media management tools which can help you achieve great success with your social media marketing. Whether you want to build a brand or grow your business, we want to help you succeed. Before you dive right in and publish something on social media, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The first step is to think about your social media strategy. What are your goals? How can social media help you achieve your business goals? Some businesses use social media for increasing their brand awareness. Others use it for driving website traffic and sales. Social media can also help you generate engagement around your brand, create a community, and serve as a customer support channel for your customers. Which social media platforms do you want to focus on? The major social media platforms mentioned before are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. There are also smaller and up-and-coming platforms such as Tumblr, TikTok, and Anchor, and social messaging platforms such as Messenger, WhatsApp, and WeChat. When starting out, it is better to pick a few platforms that you think your target audience is active on. What type of content will attract your target audience best? Is it images, videos, or links? Is it educational or entertaining content? A good place to start is to create a marketing persona, which will help you answer these questions. And this doesn't have to be fixed forever. You can always change your strategy according to how your social media posts perform. To help you create a great social media strategy, here are our step-by-step guides on creating a social media strategy and social media marketing plan. Social media marketing for small businesses usually starts with having a consistent presence on social media. Close to 3 billion people use social media today. By being present on social media platforms, you give your brand an opportunity to be discovered by your future clients. Publishing to social media is as simple as sharing a blog post, an image, or video on a social media platform. It's just like how you would share on your personal Facebook profile. But you'll want to plan your content ahead of time instead of creating and publishing content spontaneously. Also, to ensure that you are maximizing your reach on social media, you need to publish great content that your audience like at the right timing and frequency. There are now social media scheduling tools such as Buffer Publish that can help you publish your content automatically at your preferred time. This saves your time and allows you to reach your audience when they are most likely to engage with your content. As your business and social media following grow, conversations about your brand will also increase. People will comment on your social media posts, tag you in their posts, or message you directly. People might even talk about your brand without letting you know. So you want to monitor social media conversations about your brand. You can manually check all your notifications across the social media platforms, but this isn't efficient and you won't see the posts that didn't tag your business's social media profile. You can instead use a social media listening and engagement tool that aggregates all your social media mentions and messages, including the posts that didn't tag your business's social media profile. Along the way, whether you are publishing content or engaging on social media, you'll want to know how your social media marketing is performing. Are you reaching more people on social media than last month? How many positive mentions do you get a month? How many people use your brand's hashtag on their social media posts? The social media platforms themselves provide a basic level of such information. To get more in-depth analytics information or to easily compare across social media platforms, you can use the wide range of social media analytics tools available, such as the Buffer Analyze. When you have more funds to grow your social media marketing, an area that you could consider is social media advertising. Social media ads allow you to reach a wider audience than those who are following you. Social media advertising platforms are so powerful nowadays that you can specify exactly who to display your ads to. You can create target audiences based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and so much more. When you are running many social media advertising campaigns at once, you can consider using a social media advertising tool to make bulk changes, automate processes, and optimize your ads.